would say is that you're kind of future-proofing yourself, because we're not too far away from, customers personalizing their own products and them getting made. We're not too far away from virtual shops and augmented reality, changing the shopping paradigm yet again. And unless you've gone to 3D sampling, 3D rendering, that leap will be even further for you to make. So technology isn't slowing down its pace of development, it's speeding up. And the longer that you kind of wait to at least try and play catch up, the harder it will be crossing the chasm as such.